Children, in this video we learn the vegetables name in English. Please support the channel and subscribe the channel Valarum Kutties. Vegetables: carrot, potato, tomato, onion, broccoli, chili, capsicum, peas, garlic, mushroom, cucumber, celery root, cabbage, turnip, cauliflower, brinjal, bitter gourd, celery, sweet corn, lady's finger, pumpkin, radish, ginger, sweet potato, spinach, yam, Brussels sprout, beans, drumstick and beetroot. Now we learn the spelling for these vegetables. B-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. First one, carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. Onion. O-N-I-O-N, onion. Broccoli. B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I, broccoli. Chili. C-H-I-L-L-I, chili. Capsicum. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M, capsicum. Peas. P-E-A-S, peas. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C, garlic. Next, mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R, cucumber. Celery root. C-E-L-E-R-Y-R-O-O-T, celery root. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. Turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. Bitter gourd. B-I-T-T-E-R, bitter. G-U-O-R-D, bitter gourd. Celery. C-E-L-E-R-Y, celery. Sweet corn. S-W-E-E-T-C-O-R-N, sweet corn. Lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S, F-I-N-G-E-R, lady's finger. pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. Radish, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Ginger, G-I-N-G-E-R, ginger. Sweet potato, S-W-E-E-T-P-O-T-A-T-O, sweet potato. Spinach, S-P-I-N-A-C-H, spinach. Yam, Y-A-M, yam. Brussels sprout, B-R-U-S-S-E-L-S, S-P-R-O-U-U-T, Brussels sprout. Beans, B-E-A-N-S, beans. Drumstick, D-R-U-M-S-T-I-C-K, drumstick. Beetroot, B-E-E-T-R-O-O-T, beetroot. குட்டீஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட்ஸ் போடுங்க. தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.